watching. It is inevitable that a low-calorie recipe makes it to our most requested list. And we're going to show you how to make one. But before that, let's welcome our friend, Chef Ronald from Furna. Hi!
Hello, Sam.
Hello. So tell us I know Chef Jackie will be using a few of the products that we've already talked about on the show, but we will be adding one as well. Which one is this?
For our today's recipe, Sam, we're going to use our NutraSweet. This is a tabletop sweetener, which is pure, clean, delicious, and no unpleasant aftertaste. Actually, Sam, I have here a sample for you. This is a 1 packet or 1 gram. This is equivalent to 2 teaspoons of refined sugar. NutraSweet is 6 times sweeter than refined sugar.
Oh my.
So 1 sachet is good for a 1 cup of coffee, or let's say instant drink, a glass of instant drink. And then you can also use this for instant dessert, like what Chef Jackie will going to just do for today. A low-calorie buko pandan mousse.
There you go. So buko pandan will be using the Flavocol as well.
Yes,
just to refresh your memory, Flavocol is a liquid food color that has flavor as well. So we'll be using the buko pandan.
Yes.
Yes.
And also, she's going to use other products such as the unflavored gelatin and the butter oil substitute.
All right, she's going to whip all of this up to turn it into a low-calorie buko pandan mousse, which I hear is originally your recipe.
Yes.
So we'll be seeing Chef Jackie's interpretation of that. Chef Jackie!
Today I'm going to make the Furna Buko Pandan Mousse. Okay? Low-calorie siya. Okay, so first, I'm going to make the crust. I'm going to use 1 cup of instant oatmeal. And then half a cup of the Furna butter oil substitute. Yan. Then all you have to do is mix it together. Sugar or any sweetener to the crust, but if you want, you can add a pack of the NutraSweet in case mas gusto niya mas matamis yung crust. Okay? It's that easy. Put it in a pan. Okay, so this is my pan. Ito yung setup ko today. Okay, this is a loose bottom pan. Mabilis na to hanapin. And then I put like a piece of cake board and foil para mabilis siyang i-remove. Okay, and then this is a piece of plastic acetate. Okay, so what I will do is put my crust ingredients, ayan, into the pan, and then I'll just press down. Para hindi siya masyadong madikit sa kamay. Okay, put a piece of paper, and then use like the back of a measuring cup, and then press it down until you get to fill the whole pan, and then you take out the paper. Okay? And then you can chill this in the refrigerator for mga 20 minutes. So now, let's do the filling part. I have here 1 envelope of Furna unflavored gelatin, which is 1 tablespoon or 10 grams. And isa-sprinkle ko siya at i-bloom sa 30 ml ng tubig. Okay? And then you let that sit. Then I have here the other ingredients. I have milk. Okay, and then rum. And then, this is the pandan Flavocol, which means flavor and color. Kasi syempre, when you eat like a buko pandan, kasi the pandan leaf is green. So maganda kapag green din, light green yung nakikita nyo. So you use about 2 teaspoons, which is 2 takip. Yan. Okay, so flavor and color in one na siya. Okay, and then you add 2 egg yolks. We're using pala low-fat milk kasi nga low-fat ang ating recipe. Okay, so what you do, at this point, yung gelatin nyo, it's already nice and nag-bloom na siya. You have to melt it. Pwede nyo gawin sa micro, or you can put it on top of a double boiler and wait until it melts. Just takes a few seconds. Aside from it being a low-fat dessert, which is really great for Christmas kasi ang lakas natin kumain, buko pandan is a sure favorite aside from, let's say, the usual na mango, ang buko pandan, basta Christmas, actually all year round. So now it's nice and melted. We add it to our other ingredients. Yan, ganun kasimple lang siya. Actually, you have to add it lang sunod-sunod. Okay? Mimix mo lang siya. And then I have here, this is 1 cup of non-dairy whipping cream that I have already whipped. Add like a little portion first, and then mix it together. Your cream, you whip it lang to medium, and then you mix it. Yan. And of course, let's not forget our sweetener. We're using 4 packs of NutraSweet. Okay? So let's fold it in as well. And then, all you have to do is put it over the crust. Oh. And at this point, you can already chill this in the refrigerator for at least mga 2 hours para mag-set properly. And then I have here yung nag-set na. Okay? And I have here green jelly glaze. Ininit ko na siya kanina para by this time, lukewarm na lang siya at hindi niya tunawin yung aking mousse. Okay, this is just jelly glaze. Actually, it's hard to find green jelly glaze. So I just colored it with Ferna color. So you just spread the glaze. So you have a nice two-tone buko pandan mousse. It's beautiful and also masarap. And best of all, it's low calorie. So after this, you just put this in the ref na lang for mga 10 minutes just to set the glaze. And then pwede nyo na siya iserve. Okay. And para naman malaman din ng mga kakain na this is also not just pandan and buko, we will put like buko strips on top. Yan. Just in the center. So here is my buko pandan mousse from the Ferna kitchen.
Chartreuse green.
Green is the color of the day.
Oh, come on, I want to try this.
Alam mo, it's really for you. Kasi
yes.
since...
And Chef Ronald!
Yes, si Chef Ronald, memorize na niya yung taste na yan. And since slim and fit ka ngayon, you know, there, this is a low-calorie, diba? Low-calorie dessert. And it's buko pandan.
So usual kasi week na nasanay tayo with the buko pandan salad. So why not?
Oo nga, no?
Yeah, why not gumawa tayo ng something new? Para at least yung mga may diabetes or mga nagda-diet,
yes,
they can also experience the goodness of this desserts, right?
And it's easy because it's no-bake. And a lot of our televiewers like items that are no-bake.
How's it?
I'm so right.
It is so good.
Yep.
No, I don't know. I mean, I don't know. For me, I can always tell if you use artificial sweetener.
Yeah.
But with this one, it's really hard to tell the difference.
Correct. That's because of the NutraSweet, our tabletop sweetener.
Hindi lang siya pang tabletop, pang dessert din siya.
Pang dessert din siya.